Hey everyone, today we're diving into the actual budget 2025. The question everyone's asking, is it a scam or legit? Let's find out. So here's the thing about actual budget. It's not the kind of app you see plastered with flashy ads or celebrity endorsements. It quietly exists with a loyal following, and there's a reason for that. Originally a paid app, the creators stepped back and now it's fully open source. That alone filters out casual users. This isn't your typical one tap budget app. You don't just link your bank and walk away. Instead, it asks you to actually think about your money. Every dollar has a job, and if that mindset clicks with you, this app can be a game changer. Privacy is another big factor. Nothing leaves your device unless you explicitly allow it. No shady servers, no data flying around. Some people love that level of control. Others find it a bit much. And while the mobile app has retired, the desktop version is actively maintained, community backed, and constantly evolving. So, scam or legit, Actual Budget is completely transparent, on GitHub, and trusted by real users. It's not flashy or automatic, but for someone who wants deep control over their finances, it's the real deal. If you're curious about taking full control of your budget and don't mind rolling up your sleeves, Actual Budget might just be what you're looking for.